students. Now we are going to alcohols, phenols and ethers chapter. In this chapter we have already completed introduction part and the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. In these preparations, the next method is alkyl halides undergoes hydrolysis when heated with aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH and most AgOH, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, barium hydroxide. Base hydrolysis. This reaction is called base hydrolysis. It is also called nucleophilic substitution reactions. These reactions also called nucleophilic substitution reactions. The general equation: alkyl halide treated with aqueous NaOH, heated this mixture, then it is converts into alcohol and byproduct is NaX. This is general reaction. Another example is CH3CH2Cl. It is react with AgOH. It is converts into CH3CH2OH alcohol. This is hydrolysis of alkyl halides to give alcohols. Now we are discussing main reactions. Hydrolysis of primary alkyl halides proceeds by SN2 mechanism. To give primary alcohols. For example, here CH3CH2Cl, it is treated with aqueous KOH, then it converts into CH3CH2OH and byproduct is KCl. This is primary alkyl halide and to give primary alcohol. It is proceeds SN2 mechanism. Secondary hydrolysis of secondary alkyl halides halides gives alcohols are and alkenes, and this alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, proceeds by SN1 and SN2, SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Example: CH3 CH Br CH3. This is secondary alkyl halide. It is treated with aqueous KOH and it is proceeds by SN1 or SN2 mechanism. Then it converts into CH3 CH OH CH2 CH3 plus CH3 CH2 double bond CH2. In this reaction, what happens? The secondary alkyl halide undergoes hydrolysis to form alcohol and alkenes. Due to this reaction proceeds by SN1 or SN2 mechanism. Hydrolysis of tertiary alkyl halides gives alkenes. Due to this reaction undergoes dehydrohalogenation. And this reaction proceeds by SN1 mechanism. Here reaction is CH3 Br. This is tertiary alkyl halide. This is undergoes aqueous KOH hydrolysis. In the presence of aqueous KOH, it converts into alkene. Due to this reaction follows SN1 mechanism, and this product, the formation of product is alkene. Tertiary alkyl halide converts into alkene. If hydrolysis proceeds, SN2 mechanism if hydrolysis followed by if hydrolysis proceed SN2 mechanism, SN1 mechanism, SN1 mechanism, then rearrangement product may be obtained. For example, here this is secondary alkyl halide undergoes hydrolysis. Then what happens here? Br is removal. Then the formation secondary carbocation CH3CH plus charge CH2 CH3 CH3. We know that secondary carbocation less stable than tertiary carbocation. Here secondary carbocation, it is less stable than tertiary carbocation. What happens here? Rearrangement takes place. Then here H is moves towards carbocation. Here what happens? 1, 2 hydride shift. And this is slow step and slow reaction. And next what happens here? CH3 CH2 CH3 this carbon getting positive charge. This is tertiary carbocation stable. What happens here? Nucleophile. What is nucleophile? OH minus is attached at the position of carbocation. This is first step. Then the formation of compound is CH3 CH2 COH CH3 CH3. This is tertiary alcohol. If hydrolysis proceeds by SN1 mechanism, then rearrangement product may be obtained. For example, here taken secondary alkyl halide undergoes hydrolysis. What happens here? In first step, secondary carbocation is formed. It is less stable. Then here this reaction follows SN1 mechanism. So here rearrangement takes place. Then what happens here? 1, 2 hydride shift. Then the formation tertiary carbocation, it is stable. Then after this nucleophile attack at carbocation, then the formation of compound is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide undergoes hydrolysis. Then what happens here? Aqueous NaOH. What happens here? The formation of compound is alkene. Here this reaction follows SN1 mechanism. But here one thing, when tertiary alkyl halide treated with PPS, polar protic solvent, that is water, then here what happens? The formation of compound is alcohol. Alcohol. Here, what is PPS? PPS means they contain at least one hydrogen atom. It is connected with electronegativity atoms. For example, here oxygen, hydrogen connect with oxygen, hydrogen connect with nitrogen. Hydrogen, the compounds contains at least one hydrogen with connected highly electronegative atoms, that is oxygen hydrogen bonding, nitrogen hydrogen bonding. Examples of PPS: water, NH3, CH3OH, C2H5OH, CH3COOH. These compounds are example for polar protic solvents. Here tertiary alkyl halide undergoes aqueous NaOH, it gives alkene. But tertiary alkyl halide undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of aqueous NaOH to form alkene. When tertiary alkyl halide is treated with polar protic solvent, it gives alcohol. Examples: CH2Cl, it is undergoes hydrolysis, aqueous NaOH, it gives benzyl chloride, converts into benzyl alcohol, and this is primary alkyl halide, gives primary alcohol. One more example: CH3. It is also undergoes hydrolysis. Then the formation of compound is OH. Formation of compound is OH. Is it true? It's not. This is wrong because of bromine. This is tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide treated with H2O, PPS, to give tertiary alcohol. This is preparation of alcohols from haloalkanes.